Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI weeks for the week after Christmas basically, but I'm still going to decorate it as all Christmassy. And the stickers that I have are actually from Faded Chronicle. I like these stickers. It's called the True Story of Christmas, and these are the journaling kits. And I like it because it's Christmassy without being like in your face Christmas. You guys know how I feel about seasonal stickers. I love Christmas, but I also, the week after Christmas think it's good to have Christmas, but not like crazy obvious Christmas, if I can say that. All right, let's get started. So next week is a short week for me. I'm only working Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I'm actually gonna go right in here and draw a line down those 3 days, and the pen that I am using is my TWSBI Diamond 580, and it had a fine nib, but I found the fine nib a little bit scratchy for me, so I actually had it sent off to a nibsmith, and instead of my fine nib I now have a fine stub nib, which I absolutely love. And the ink in it is Troublemaker Inks Kelp Tea. So I'm going to be using this washi from According to Allie, which it looks like I haven't used it ever. And there's so many stickers here, I don't even know where to start. So maybe I'm going to take these ones. I purchased this as a digital, or as digitals from Faded Chronicle, because I have the ability to print these off at home and cut them with my silhouette, so why not? And pretty. And I'm going to create like a little scene down here. I love these colors because they're not your typical Christmas colors. I like this. I was gonna put washi down, but I don't know, I can put a little bit of washi down. I was gonna say, I don't think it needs it, but I like the combination actually of all the different patterns there. Then I'm gonna add, I like this house. I wonder if I could actually put the house up here because I'm not using Monday. Might as well. Then there's already a tree there, so maybe using just some other elements. I don't think I'm gonna need all of the space for writing. It's like the week before it gets super crazy at my work, so it won't be, I won't need a ton of writing space. So I'm gonna just put all the little decorative elements there. I'm gonna put this on there. And I like this, actually. So let's put that there with other elements around it as well. Then I think I'm gonna place this here, whoops, and then move this over a bit. And I don't think I'm gonna use the wreath in this, but I thought I was gonna use the tree. I don't think I am now. I think I'll save that for my other spread. I don't know, I actually like it just like that. It's very simple, very pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and write in my meetings. So there's my overall finished spread. I really like it. It's Christmassy without being obvious Christmas, if I can say that. So let me just put this ribbon right here just to add something. Okay, I like that. It's very Very pretty, very, I don't know, what's the word that I'm looking for, guys, that I want to say here? It's got a very rustic feel, and I like that. Adding just another sticker. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this very quick plan with me. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.